Kilaingut kinoyalam ke Green Tech Foundation GTF hakasi palai jong ketayo kilapan long ya kejing syak tangan baklambu por hakmat ke sekretariat kumshi benta ban persyajur ya ke Sarkar Jilla kapal ai jaka ban snaya ke resort bat spa hadau lenong lompong deng ha umyam. Kini kino yaki kila syara no haki pulit namar kejing bomyo jingbien ban penlong ya kejing yaki hakmat sekretariat.
Ke Green Tech Foundation kalau kena bagi Sarkar Jilla ke persyang mensyukuri upaya halo kejing temu ban penkelai ke daulan nong lompong deng hapung umyam jaka-jaka jungok kai perthai la ban kedau hang ni ba kejing yaki ke belas sedang naduk ke kendai trik uyayong arajar arpun rio hapo kejing lamu chairman ke Green Tech Foundation uba H ban siudor nonglang kadan kejing dawa bahap ban pendam no kejing IT ya ke lompong deng syaki company shimat ban snai ki luxury resort bat spa. Ke Green Tech Foundation kalau kentat kejingkeran Menteri Rangba ubuang bagi jenatang yang bersipor merekat kum ke RTI ke consent to establish CTE ke Kerushai bagi Sarkar ketemu bencenai ke luxury villa hidupan BAM batui ke bagi jingtai ke bascam. General Secretary ke Green Tech Foundation ubah Ritri Lengdo ula kena bagi Sarkar ke penan gambaklai ke pulet berkaan pendam kinoyaki ke Shadow Secretariat. Ula kedua ba daulan nong lompong deng kalau kejaka ke Beduna Brio. Baik kalau kerja kasak kisim kibuan nasya jengai lani ki migratory birds. Kajing penlong ya ke music festival lani ki program ken penjot ya kajing songsuk bagajing internet kamariang. Kini ketemu ban penken ya ke water bodies preservation and conservation guidelines arajar arpulai. Ke Green Tech Foundation ke kedau ya ke Sarkar halor ka hukum jong ke Supreme Court ak senam ka kendai sebab kendai pun Rio ke baong bak Sarkar ke dai benedai kamariang walada kampat dan kajing sisya ke Bapura halor kajing jot. Kanang ban omja kajing penjat ke bakrau. Ke Green Tech Foundation ke lapan pau bagan om randian bat ken yang berupat ba benedai ke pateng ke bakordo jong Megalaya nakikti jong kajing halai ke babian.
Haba yale bat kinong thombar haba yale bat ki raha spa bat ya wang yale bat kita ki bakwan mentai kin yale hi ban buri bat kinom ong hi ba kadai ke ba upai ba ukran kinom pedang hila nol dari kumbang ong kinom la syu ban buri RTI ke jongi ke don hakti mentar kios ki agreement ki don hakti na dong sidong ai ku tu RTI ni baik pinla ban yu ai ke city baik wong na amba kajinya sign kontrak agreement kadai ka tourism department bat ka IHCL Zumba ya kani pajbak ni isnon mentar sini tadi bat ka Umyam Hotels Private Limited kata ningkong tadi ke syukur kabar Zumba ya kani wong amba lumpong dang island onom don kino jingkai onom don kino ki permanent construction yo ha kani ke bangila kedau orang tu ke nombor 4 ke nombor 2 ba luxury villas at Lumpong Deng Island Resort area 36 nice. Buat kita ki build up badai nam ta ki restoran ki cafe facilities tempat tatar kani ru kadai ho Lumpong Deng phim jaburom phim leran hadukat ne fiburi ulat tre ningkong ulat persyang ban buri bantap email suana tourism department lingga commissioner al secretary Henry tedat ni imat bakim hon kim kedawat baong baka Green Tech kim not bang kedau ini nomor ni download ikut isla ken kedau ini ngen wan rai kini ngen buong ni to tak tahu kami diberi imat bakim not saya tu kama ti sakai mentabeng nang iburi pajba kumangin apa ni fi nginom don kami isu bandang ya buri bandang ya keren sila pet hang neru pet buni di Lumpong Deng betul ada ai 36 atas mah ye nang ta pila banwad ki pajba tumbang ila dapat patay ke Umyam Hotels Private Limited kabis nai kamday nang ne itang kita hi pajba ngat
know and be aware of the principle of precautionary that we apply in environmental laws? Or should I remind you about the Vellore Citizens Forum back the ruling in 1996, wherein the Supreme Court had mentioned that states must use the precautionary principle in order to safeguard environment against any kind of threat. Whatever you came out yesterday is nothing but a tactic to mislead, and you have a very, very malicious intent. I'm so sorry to say that. You hold the highest and the most prestigious, and you're the first person to answer in the state of Meghalaya. But we strongly and very sadly, we have to say that you have failed to live up to that position. Why do you need 60 years for your events at Lumpong Deng Island? Your agreements talk something else. Your CTE talks something else. Are you even a witness of the agreement that you're coming out to defend this project? Or do you have a big hand to play in all of this? That is the question that we want to ask. Mind you again, and to the citizens who is misleading the public, everything is now clear because we have all the papers in hand. They will try every nook and tactic to do whatever they can, but we will not allow. Green Tech Foundation is here along with the people. We will not allow you, the government, to do whatever you like to our beautiful state, and especially to the pristine nature that we have in Meghalaya.
Ina du manin ba kila da ble sati yangi bat ki pulit ru kila le da kabor ngimsom lapan Kenya ka BNSS ngia don panglaingut kata di Wansai bat mentaru ajing isya ki doktor kila di Panpoi ndrei yo jing tip ba kila le khnang ban nomphai noi no ikamlai le ya kata kumang le dom da bang ipi mane lada dei ban kit yanga unong yalam si hospital ngan lai chiposen hospital ngan wan chiposen hang ne kata ka di ke basai nomla ban pen sange nomla ban pen kubum bat kata bidang le khnang kata ni ro dang ye pitai